Pick a background color. Add a text box. Type the first letter of your text. Pick a font and a text color. Resize the letter and move it to the left side of the canvas. Go to Effects and select Outline. I use a thickness of 25, but you can also use a different amount. Make the outline the same color as the background. Duplicate the text layer and type the next letter. Move the letter and make it overlap. Repeat this for the rest of the text. If you select all the letters, you can move and resize the entire text. And that's how you create an overlapping text.